This is Dave McCain with the Right Tree Genealogy, doing another video on MyHeritage. This is a pretty quick video this time, just simply covering something that has been there for a while, but not everybody sees. It's a little trick you can do that allows you to look at the relationships of your matches to your other matches. So let's take a look at this. Put myself in the upper corner here to not interfere with the slides. You go into your match list on MyHeritage, and I blocked those for privacy reasons with the blue lines. This is one of the people I manage, and this is the three of the matches. And let's just go ahead and select this middle match here, and what pops up? Well, when you bring that match up, you notice that it says this person is first cousins twice removed to second cousins twice removed. So that's the relationship expected. Now it also has a smart match, and we actually know the relationship for this person. But let's take a look at the other data that you see on this page. Scrolling down just a little bit, you'll see this. This shows you the top matches this person has. And over here, now this is where I want to get to the important part of this. You notice that there's this little tab that says sort by. Well, to begin with, it is defaulted the contributor of the DNA as they relate to each one of their matches. So if you notice, this person has 341.7, 309.9 to 57.4. So they go down sequentially from the highest to the lowest. Over here, it varies slightly. It goes from 240 to 209 and back up to 223. Well, let's take a look at this again in a different way. So what happens when you select the person instead of yourself, but the person that you're matching, or the match you're looking at, in this case Brittany? Well, you do the same thing. It sorts from high to low. Now let's take a look and see what we see. I've went down a little bit further, so it kind of gives a little more variety. It's the same thing. Highest number, 178.4, 91.6, 91.6, 89.2. If you notice on you, or in this case JW's matches with this person, it's 87.9, 23, 23, 244. So they vary on that side. You're seeing how each one of the matches that match you match this person that you have chosen as your match. When you see this, notice this here, it says first cousins twice removed to second cousins once removed. That's significant because now you can say, how does this person relate to them? And you may be able to make additional discoveries. So what you see here is a specific match, how they relate to other matches. And you can make discoveries here that you didn't know you can make in the past. Sometimes you notice it says granddaughter or grandmother situation matches. You can see that it's siblings. So although you have a small amount of match to them, you may see that those people match in a way that is more significant, and you can start piecing together and say, where in my tree does this person match? That's significant. So my suggestion to you, anybody watching this video at this point, try it. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing right here or watching one of these other videos, and let's continue learning together.